Okay, I'm making a quick little video showing the Oreck. Got a microfiber pad on it and a glider. Just showing how easy it works. I'm using it one-handed. And you guys know these machines with no wheels down, they can be a little difficult to control. This carpet is a horrible carpet. It pulls every direction. But yet, I'm controlling it. And it's pretty easy. You're still not, with a glider, you're not going to take the jumpiness out of the machine when it hits a jump at a place. It'll make the machine move around a little. But you'll be able to control the jumpiness when it happens. So, the glider will make everything far better, but you don't really want to run these without a glider. I mean, you can, and I did it for years and years, but without a glider, you have to control the thing harder. And even though it's a smaller machine, believe me, it's got a lot of power behind it. And it'll want to go all over on you. On certain carpets. This carpet is particularly bad where it's pulling in all directions. That's why I'm showing a video of it. Now, I know you guys don't know if I'm telling the truth. I could be lying, but I'm not. So, but yeah, it's working with the glider underneath. I'll show the glider here in a second. When I get back out of the room. Operating these machines without gliders though can be sometimes hectic. If you've been cleaning carpets any length of time, you know you're going to run across those certain carpets that, well, the machine just wants to pull all over the place. You can't control it hardly. A glider, it eliminates that whole thing from happening. It really makes a difference. So, this is why I'm such a big advocate of gliders. I use these Oreck orders for years and years, and I love them, and they work great. And they'll do any cleaning you want. But any machine that don't have no wheels on it, and I don't like wheels down machines, but any machine that don't have no wheels on it, they will tend to do what they want when it comes to the direction they want to try to go. So the glider, it eliminates that, a whole lot of it. So anyway, it's a short video, and this is it. If you have any questions, ask me stuff in the comment section and I'll tell you. Thanks. Bye-bye.